Next. Young man, what's your name?
I am the chairman, honorable chairman of ASU.
ASU. Now the strike passed on that for Nigeria.
Strike, no. You don't say strike. We only enforce our fundamental rights.
Okay, what is the difference between strike and enforce fundamental human rights or fundamental rights when people know they go to school?
We just boycott to stake our claim from federal government.
Baba, now when they strike pass thunder, true or false?
True.
Person go plan to go school for 4 years. After the 4 years, may get work now go make he plans fail. Person can go school for 5 years.
It's for the greater good of these children.
Young man, it's not for the greater good of the children, it's for the greater good of you people. Okay, now, since this 2000, what year are we?
2020.
This 2020, why on a strike they take longer than on a predict?
It has not been only us that have been striking. It was COVID and every other issue.
What did they pay me for on a strike? Now I see online recently. Una go right say make Nigeria students when fit travel. Who want go learn skills acquisition? May go learn. And then someone want go have fun in another country. Go have fun. ASU. Now they tell students like that. That means you are telling them that indirectly that the educational system may not come back in the nearest future.
And no, what we really meant by that, the issue is.
Wow! Clap for yourself.
Hey, you.
No, clap for yourself now.
Calm down and quiet.
Let me talk.
Hey, your oga.
I don't want to know.
Where is your oga?
See, my oga.
Hey! Where is your oga?
Oga, my oga not there around. He go leave. You don't see me for years since. No, you don't see me for years since. I dey suffer, they mind my business because I know they take nonsense. When you dey ask him, say that they strike pass ASU, that is ASU you call it. When you dey ask him, say that they strike pass thunder, that they strike pass this one, that one not concern me. But now they don't they ask you, say what be the reason when make una send to the travel, you want give excuse. Una get reason?
No,
una get reason.
We have concrete reason why we ask.
If I deck you think that my oga when they take nonsense? No, you think that my oga when they dey peaceful? If I deck you here, no, talk am here now. Talk am. Which reason go fit make una say make student go come out for school? Una tell them that they go abroad. No, now. When you know say you no longer allow them go school, what's the reason? Okay, why they come for pay school fees?
It's enough. Let him say the reason.
He got reason.
Achuri, is that not your name? Achuri.
No problem.
Your guy went for leave, Abi?
Yes.
So you are not in charge of her?
Yes.
Okay, calm down.
If this guy not bleed,
I will send you back.
If this guy not bleed before my oga come, find him, give me. No, let me talk the reason.
So what is the reason that made people to say that okay they should travel, go and have fun?
No, when we say travel.
I don't want you to explain because I know when you start saying no, when we say say on when we leaders for that country now book and they read they explain themselves. So open your phone and read the reasons.
Okay.
He really dey open for so you write am come.
They no get reason.
You write am for that come no wonder.
It's enough. You know say for that country all they are talking na paper they
they fit write am down they come dey read am and so the thing come from their head.
May for free explain himself read am.
Okay, on the issue of travel. There is no harm in traveling if you can afford it.
You say wetin?
Traveling is also a form of learning. We teach them they are to learn in school.
So now come seize the educational system make them not learn. Say okay, the best form of learning this period is for them to travel.
Wait, wow. So to travel, na learning.
Na learning good.
So why they come go school now? For travel.
No, it's correct. If they travel every now and then, you go to learn. It's correct. Yes, it's correct. But why una seize the main educational system say make them they travel go to learn?
No, we are fighting for the greater good of these students, we lecturers and all. It's for the greater good.
Fighting for who's good? Well, you well? Fighting for who's good? One person go there 16 years. Hope me say maybe by 20 years, he go don use 4 years to study then. At the age of 20, go get work. Now go strike. The person go there like 29, never see graduate. And when he don't finally graduate, they'll come go that signboard say we are looking for a worker that have like 7 years of experience, not less than 27 years of age
26.
or 26 years of age. How you want to get them? No, how now want to get one of the
It's enough.
the
And
truth
hey, quiet. And what did the invest me say? After you don't graduate at the age of 29, you want to go NYSC. They can't tell you say not above 30.
person no reach 30. The years one have waste person for school. Una they can't enjoy.
We are also victims. But the good thing need to be done.
What is the good thing? Talk. Asu, talk.
See the second reason.
Okay, first reason why una strike.
Now, I said it's for the greater good.
Why una strike? Don't beat about the bush. Asu, why una strike?
Thank God, man. My angel have joined me for this one. You
Why
have
una
provoked.
strike now?
No, talk now. Talk. It is a one pity you here.
Oga, why una strike?
They have not paid us our money.
Oh, good. So when are you coming back? And what are you fighting for?
Until the government, the money they promised us, until they meet our demands. And because when we are not happy, there's no how we can impart knowledge into children's
Una dey
life.
impart knowledge before.
But wait, I first tell you say you go bleed before you come here. Why be say now alone na that country? No, now alone na that country. When be say if they not pay una now alone na they strike.
Una strike.
Every time.
It's enough.
Now alone na they.
It's enough. I don't stand up by the verse. Una strike don't too much. Every academic year una must strike. Na cause.
And you see, they say do not, if you spare the rod, you spoil the child.
Na true.
And no matter how many times, anytime the government they fail to meet our demand, we it's people that call it strike. We ensure that we fight for our fundamental human rights through boycott. We boycott, not strike. That's the issue I'm trying to say. So our money they have promised us, when they make us happy, they say we make the children happy.
My friend, keep quiet. See, you don't listen. I'm not say you want pity am now. You don't say you dey try get soft
No,
man. You know my
strike-
Ghana get the one that tell the work
Excuse
carry
me,
pass. I'm not say you want pity am now.
I'm not supposed to be talking to
You want
you.
pity am?
I'm not supposed to be talking to you.
Okay.
Una strike no be the issue. But na that part be say una dey tell people say go and acquire knowledge, acquire skills, so that you can use your skills to work.
I can explain that.
Okay, explain.
You know the nature of the country. Most time is not what you learned in school you end up with.
Okay.
I have someone that read engineering in school. He ended up working in West Lotto, playing pools and the rest. So the country is
That voice down to say una dey change people career for that country.
No, it's not about changing of career.
How person go study engineer and go dey work for inside bank?
You open my talk this thing, and the thing say you wan even defend yourself. You open my talk am, which means these people no get plan for student o. So make dem go acquire skills, which means person go even study law now. Last, if you come dey say DM me for your Bitcoin, DM me for bossas, DM me for na law is study o.
DM me for enlargement.
Person go study engineering, una go make am go dey work for mortuary. Now wait, wetin be really be una plan? Na only una dey never meet up to their demand. No, una think say na only una wey dey house dey never meet up to their demand. When be say na only una dey strike, una don hear say police don strike. You think say police dey happy? That the money wey dem suppose dey give dem, dey tell you say na all of dem dey receive. Okay, now more leave police. Even NEPA people, you think say this NEPA, this light wey dey see, you think say dey use battery?
Actually, I don't know whether
You don't ask yourself why they not dey bring like 4 hours.
small devil, calm down. You see, there's
Okay, you know say I not get you. If you know why man settle this issue, man come on here. No
You're not
need to
supposed to be
judge.
here.
Give me this mama carry go. Now me know I want to
go
kill her
carry
for
and
where I
go,
dey.
don't worry, you carry and go. The issue is that, let me correct you. Everybody have their how do I call it, their right to strike. But what I'm saying now, no be say na no fit strike.
They are right too many.
But una strike
That's
too
right
much.
too many.
Man, una for you dey strike once, make you know so una strike. Na don talk this thing once and for all. And I will strike this year, strike next year, strike.
The government should do the needful. That is.
Now only on that day. Wait, come where they go. Okay, now worry, case closed. Come where they go. Move.
No, they've not even checked my faith.
Check which faith?
Asu, I don't have any faith to check.
Which faith?
Young man, you can go to her. Go and precise over where your guy said you should precise before I come. Go to her.
I want to leave this one here.
Don't worry, I will handle it. It's my problem to solve. Go to her. So, Asu.
I don't want you to say enter paradise. So there will be war.
Asu, my problem not be say una dey strike. My problem is say why now we say make students dey travel. That means no hope for them.
No, you know, like I earlier said.
You don't have anything you earlier said. May na go back, talk to the government. May na easily come back. Make people that they hold for us. I go be from January till now. Students never go school. COVID-19 come, drop them for us. Protest come, drop them for us. Now protest don't finish, make them go school. Now still dey on the strike issue. Striking is not bad. Solve it so quick and let the people go back to school. And this issue of acquiring skills is not bad though. But the way that they push and come and say na bad thing. Do you understand?
Yes, understand. It's clear. I will speak to my board members. When I go back to it now, there will be a meeting. I've heard everything you said. I've heard it, and I really feel and sympathize with these children. So I will hold the board meeting and see so that most by next year June we will come back.
Next year what? June. Achuri!